This is your Fox 47 News Flash.
Welcome to your Fox 47 News Flash from the Digital Newsroom. I'm Chris Lewis, and these are the top stories that we're following. It's the announcement the fitness community in Michigan has waited for since March. On Thursday, Governor Gretchen Whitmer said that gyms can finally reopen next week. The big day is Wednesday, September 9th, and gym owners have waited months to hear the good news. Gyms will have to deny entry to people who do not at least give their name and phone number for contact tracing. Face coverings must be worn at all times unless you're swimming. Capacity is limited to 25%. Class sizes have to be reduced. Workout stations need to be at least 6 feet apart. Gyms have to provide equipment, cleaning products, hand sanitizers, disinfectant wipes, along with soap and water that have to be readily available. They also need to increase air circulation throughout the building using fans and opening doors and windows when possible. The safety requirements are also for bowling alleys, roller rinks, ice rinks, and similar facilities. On Thursday, Governor Gretchen Whitmer decided to extend the state of emergency until October 1st, 2020 at 11:59 p.m. The executive order, aptly titled Executive Order 2020-177, will allow the state to continue to protect the interest and health of Michigan communities. In early August, every region in Michigan saw an increase in new cases. It placed Michigan past the 100,000 COVID-19 cases mark. However, the state's percent positivity remains below the national average. In the state of Michigan, 3.3% of all COVID-19 tests administered were positive. Nationally, 6.1% were positive. Governor Whitmer consistently credits following scientific trends to figure out how to counteract the virus. One thing that is noticeable is that young adults have a new share of cases. So Governor Whitmer encourages everyone to continue to wear their masks. The Michigan Unemployment Insurance Agency continues to make progress on its backlog of people who haven't been paid their benefits. There were 200,000 non-monetary issues in the system on Thursday. The agency director, Steve Gray, addressed the Joint Select Committee on the COVID-19 pandemic for the third time on Thursday. Gray said, as of Wednesday, 98% of people who are eligible for unemployment were paid at least once during the pandemic. Michigan's unemployment rate skyrocketed in March during the stay-at-home order, with a record of 2 million people filing claims. That's where the 200,000 non-monetary issues are, Gray said. He said most issues happen when someone goes to their weekly certification. Gray said he's working to make the certification process as easy as tax prep software. That includes rewording questions and allowing some answers to be changed, but he said that there are issues with that. In the meantime, there are 42,000 people who filed for claims and are still waiting to be paid. Gray said most of those are likely fake claims, but 14,000 of the claims need someone to physically look things over. Gray also told lawmakers the call center is improving. He said about 60% of calls to the unemployment hotline are being answered. However, the goal is to reach 100%. He said because there are still too many calls, the 13 regional UIA offices will remain closed because it's more efficient to handle them on the phones. The agency aptly started an appointment system where agents would call someone with an appointment. Gray said that's helped 2,000 people so far. Gray also told lawmakers these changes will help the unemployment agency if the states move back to phase 3 of the reopening plan. The coronavirus has changed all of our lives, and many people don't know where to turn for help. That's why Fox 47 News WSYM-TV created Rebound Mid-Michigan, everything you need to get back on track in one convenient place. From dealing with stress to unemployment to helping put food on your table, plus ways you can lend a hand in your own community. Rebound Mid-Michigan. Everything you need to get you through these difficult times. We may have fallen, but we will rebound together. Visit fox47news.com/rebound to learn more. Learn more about all of these and all Mid-Michigan's breaking news on fox47news.com.